Visionaries, it is the last Monday in 2024. Personally, I have been enjoying my vacation, my time off, the opportunity to relax, to unwind, and to really spend time with my family. This is my message for you as we head into 2025. Cancel the noise. Do not invest your time, your energy, your focus into things that are frustrating, into conversations that at the end of the day doesn't matter. Protect your peace at all costs. Cancel the noise. Focus on what's important. Get your goals down. Write your vision and prepare for an exceptional 2020.